When you're purchasing a pad printer, it's tempting to focus on things like price or footprint, but those factors alone don't determine long-term success. What really matters is how efficiently the machine runs, how easily it integrates into your workflow, and how well it holds up over time. Today, I want to walk you through the 5 most important things to consider when purchasing a pad printer, based on real production experience and what actually impacts throughput, uptime, and operator efficiency. The first thing to consider is ease of setup and use, especially for multicolor printing. Traditional pad printers often require individual plate and color alignment by visual recognition, which is time-consuming and inconsistent. With our TTN Universal machines, image registration is completed directly on the plate. That eliminates manual alignment and saves about 15 to 20 minutes per color per job. Over the course of a week, that can mean hours of recovered production time, allowing you to print more parts without adding shifts or operators. We also paid close attention to the operator experience. Button placement and controls are laid out so the operator can comfortably control the entire machine from one seated position at the front. Less unnecessary movement means less fatigue, faster cycles, and more consistent output, which translates directly into more prints per day. The second thing to consider is expandability. Your production requirements today won't be the same 6 months or a year from now, and your equipment should be able to grow with you. TTN pad printers are all built around modular frame systems that allow quick interchange and upgrade of components, including ink cups and printing configurations. For example, the Universal 200 here can print one item in 2 colors at 80 millimeters each. It can also be configured to print one color at 80 by 180 millimeters, print 2 parts simultaneously to double the output, or run ink cups sized 65, 120, or 134 millimeters. That kind of expandability protects your investment and keeps your printer productive as your needs change. Different production environments require different tools, and having the right options can significantly improve efficiency. TTN pad printers can be equipped with tape cleaners for high volume or automated lines, additional XY tables to speed up setup, and pad blowers to assist with ink transfer and curing on both the pad and the part. Even the control system is designed with flexibility in mind. Our touchscreen interfaces support multiple languages, providing peace of mind for global operations and diverse production teams. The fourth thing to consider is flexibility, how well the machine fits into your overall workflow. TTN pad printers can operate in tandem with TTN XY tables, or they could be bench mounted for standalone use. We're also one of the only manufacturers offering both fully pneumatic and fully servo-driven pad printers, allowing customers to tailor the machine to each unique application. The fifth and final thing to consider is quality, and this is often the most overlooked. Every TTN machine is built using high-end components, including Festo pneumatic valves and cylinders from Germany, ENA bearings from Germany, Italian-made tape cleaners, and Swiss electronic controllers. All programming is controlled in-house, and critical steel components are nickel-dipped. Housings are powder-coated, and aluminum base plates and tables are anodized for corrosion resistance. This is especially important when working with inks and solvents. All TTN pad printers ship CE certified, clean room compliant, and ready for the US market right out of the box. We even engineered how the machines are packaged to ensure a smooth setup experience from the moment they arrive at your facility. When you step back and look at the full picture, ease of setup, expandability, options, flexibility, and quality, what really matters is how all 5 work together. For nearly 50 years, TTN has designed pad printers around real production challenges, with the goal of helping customers print more parts more consistently with less wasted time. If you're evaluating pad printers or considering an upgrade, visit automarkco.com or contact us directly at the information below to learn more about TTN pad printing solutions. If you found this information useful, please don't forget to comment and subscribe and like. For more great videos on printing. Thanks for watching.